Hello everyone, it's John here with azWHOLEistic and the CBD Studio and Dispensary in Phoenix. Wanted to just go over a couple of these products that are listed on our website to give you a quick overview about inhalation for Phyto-Cannabinoid Rich products. So we have a 100 milligram disposable vape pen here, 100 milligrams in the pen itself, about 200 puffs, approximately 0.5 milligrams per puff to the brain. We have also in between here, we have a life pen that's 200 milligrams. And then we have 250 milligrams in the select pens, which come in a variety of flavors. We've got spearmint, we've got peppermint, we've got lemon, we've got cinnamon and lavender. These are probably one of our #1 sellers because they're very small in size, very easy to use, very good high quality material. Then we've got what's called shatter. Now shatter is a solid material, okay, that is pure CBD, which is flavored with typically terpenoids or terpenes. Okay, this would be used in some type of a dab rig or a vaporizer device like this Yocan, which we have a video specifically on our site talking about how to use the Yocan Evolve Plus material for your solid products. Same with the isolate material. Okay, pure CBD isolate, 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. And then we have the shatter in 500 milligrams with either a blueberry or a pineapple flavor. And then we have, of course, the cartridge, which is 300 milligrams. We have a couple of different flavors, strawberry cream, we have pineapple, and we have an apple fritter flavor. Now, if 300 milligrams is not strong enough for you and you're inhaling on this quite frequently and you're just not quite getting the relief you're looking for, or you need to take 5 or 6 or 7 pulls on this cartridge to get the relief you're looking for, then the next step would be to purchase some type of an inhalation device. These AIOs by Joytech we like to sell for cannabidiol because they don't fire over 20 watts. Okay? So you never want to fire a vape device over 20 to 25 watts. So if you happen to have a vape device that you're vaping nicotine products with, and it looks kind of like this guy, right? Battery and a tank, and you're vaping your nicotine products, don't run your wattage over 25. Okay, lower that right down to 25 watts. Otherwise, you'll be burning the material and you'll be wasting your money on your CBD medicine. Okay, 25 watts or lower. That's part of the reason why we like to recommend the AIOs. They only fire at about 20 watts. We also recommend this little device called an Aspire Breeze, which we have a review on our website about. These guys are very small. They only fire at about 15 watts. Very effective for using CBD. Okay? Now, if you were to use this type of device, obviously you're going to need material to put in it. So you can purchase your CBD in vegetable glycerin in 100 milligrams, 300 milligrams. We also have it in 500. Okay? So there's a quick overview. We also have another video below this one with a little bit more detail, going into more detail about each one of these products. Appreciate your patience. Share the video if you find value in it, and thanks so much for visiting. Bye-bye.